So let's continue correction of the Christmas sheet. We are in exercise 2 and we have a figure and some question about this figure. Okay, let's start. First of all, they are asking about part A. Name a straight line. Who wants to tell me before starting what the meaning of a straight line? Yes, Fatima Ismail, what the meaning of a straight line? Just a minute. Yes, Fatum, what the meaning of a straight line?
A straight line that have no beginning and no end.
So it's unlimited.
It's unlimited.
Can you choose one straight line from this figure?
XY.
XY. How can I write XY? Between what?
Parentheses, not
Very
brackets.
good. Between parentheses, XY. Can you give me another straight line?
ZT.
ZT. Very good.
Also parentheses.
Also parentheses. Very good. Just a minute till I write ZT. Also, other than the ZT. MN. Other than MN.
D1.
D1. Did you see? She didn't say DB or D1A. So D1 it's alone a straight line. Continue. Other than D1.
D.
Okay. And also we have D. Okay. These are all the straight line from this figure, okay? Okay. Let's move to the second question, that is part B. Name two segments and their extremities with Ali Shaib. يلا يا علي. Name a segment. First of all, what's the meaning of a segment?
Miss, a segment is
limited. Very good. What's the meaning of limited? يعني it has two points. Name 2 points from the figure.
SP.
SP. Can I take, teacher, S, Z or M and N?
Yes.
Can I take MN as a segment? No. Why no?
Because MN is a straight line.
It's a straight line and it's not a point. It's not a point. As you see, it's not a point. We can choose just two letters that forming a point. We write a segment between brackets. So RS, and they are asking their extremities. With extremities, what are the extremities of RS?
With
extremities. What are the extremities of RS? What are the points, the hands of the segment? R and S. Like that we call extremities, the hands, the points of the segment. Let's choose another segment with another student, with Adam Jaber. Yes, Adam.
Okay.
Name another segment, teacher.
RO.
RO. Other than R, choose two letters, two new letters. O, P, for example. Okay. What are the extremities? What are the extremities of OP?
One OP.
What the meaning of extremities, Adam? Look at the first example of Ali Shaib. They are asking RS. They are RS with extremities R and S. OP with extremities what يا أحمد?
OP.
O and P. Very good. O and P. Okay, let's move to part C. يلا يا أحمد. Name a semi-straight line and state its origin. يلا. Part C. Name a semi-straight line and state its origin. يلا. What the meaning of a semi-line?
A line with a point
And a straight line from the
limited
other
or
way.
unlimited in the same time.
Very good. Very good. يلا. Choose one.
U T.
U. What
U.
is U? What is U?
لا مش مش يو تحت الزد.
Q.
يو.
Q, T, closed from the letter Q, and the Q is a capital
Yes.
letter and T is a small letter. Of origin what?
Yes. Of origin origin Q.
Of origin Q, very good. I can choose also another one, if you can see. Another than QT. Who wants to tell me another one, another than QT? Yes, Nawaf.
O.
M, O, M, not M, O. O, M. Always I will start from the closed one. O, M. Very good. Of origin? Of origin? Of origin O. Let's continue. Yes, Noor Wehbe.
مش الأوريجين على طول لازم يكون capital letter.
Always it will be a capital letter and it has a point. Yes, Noor Wehbe. Give me another semi-straight line. Yes, Noor.
Semi-straight line.
Semi-straight line. Name a semi-straight line. Yes.
PT or
PT.
BY.
BY. Of origin?
AZ. Of origin B.
B. Very good. Can you solve for me part D? Name 3 collinear points. What the meaning of
Yes.
collinear points?
3 points on the same straight line.
Very good. Name 3 points on the same straight line.
OPB.
OPB. On which straight line they are?
D1. On straight line D1.
Very good. OP and B on
في RSA كمان.
RSA. On which line?
On D.
On D also. RS and A on D. Name another also. You have also 3.
PSQ.
PSQ on which line? Z.
ZT.
Very good. P, S, and Q. On which line? On Z, T. Okay. Let's move to part E. Name 2 parallel lines يا فاطمة مخلوف.
Yes. 2 parallel lines, D and D1.
Very good. D parallel to D1. And we write the symbol of parallel. Like that. Of D1. Part F. 2 perpendicular lines with Noor Atwe.
2 perpendicular lines, ZT and D.
ZT and D. Very good. Can you choose another one?
MN and D1.
MN and D1 also. Very good. Also, can you state another? MN also and D. ZT and D1 also. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's the rule if any parallel lines, any perpendicular to the first is perpendicular to the other. So it's perpendicular ZT on D1 at the same time. And also MN is perpendicular to D and D1 at the same time. Yeah, I will move to part G with I will choose Nawaf. Yes, Nawaf. Name
Yes.
two intersecting line like X يعني, like the letter X.
2 intersecting line.
Yes.
Z. 2 two intersecting lines
X
ZY و ZY و SD.
No, as D, we can write a letter next to D. D is a straight line alone. I cannot write
Sorry,
a
X.
XY and which line? XY
XY and D.
and D or
D.
XY and D1. It's also correct. Or XY
Okay.
and
D1.
D1. Thank you. Let's move
Welcome.
to part H. H is on the figure. So part H is on the figure. Okay, teacher? Because I should draw on the same figure. Look what I am asking. Draw a straight line UV perpendicular to what? To D. Perpendicular to D. Are you listening to me? Perpendicular to D. Let's get our set square and put it on. On which line we put it? On D, teacher. I will put it on D, يا نور عطوة. And I will turn it till I reach to the point A. Since they are asking in the question, draw a straight line UV perpendicular to D and passing through A. Directly I will move my set square on D till I reach what? To the point A. Okay, teacher? Here I am, and I will move my set square till I reach to the point A. I will move my set square till I get down. I will make it smaller to get it down. Sorry. I cannot make it since my set square is not clear here. Okay. Okay, I will move it to A. Like that. Okay? Then I will draw the perpendicular that is passing through what? Through A. I will draw it. Yeah, let's draw it. Sorry for making time. And I will draw the perpendicular that is passing through A. And I will put the sign of what? Of perpendicular at A. Don't forget it. So I have here perpendicular. Now, in part E, what is the relative position of UV and ZT? Let's look to UV and ZT. Yalla, UV and ZT. Who wants to tell me? I will move to a student. I will move to Noor, to Maryam. I will move to Maryam. Yalla, Maryam.
Okay.
First of all, UV, my conclusion should be UV parallel to ZT. Very good. Parallel to ZT.
T, because ZT perpendicular to D.
Very good. ZT perpendicular to D. And what's
And
also?
UV perpendicular to D.
Very good. And UV perpendicular to D. Very good. ZT perpendicular. This is the symbolic writing. Don't forget it. Okay. Now I want to write the rule. I will write the symbolic writing. Then I will write the rule.
If two straight lines are perpendicular to the same straight lines, then they are parallel.
If two straight lines are perpendicular to the same straight line اللي هو مين same straight line هون يا مريم؟ D. I will cross it. If two straight lines are perpendicular to the same straight line, then they are parallel. So, like that, I will state my rule and I will write the symbolic writing. Okay, teacher? Yes. Now, in exercise 3, draw a segment of 5 centimeter length AB. Okay, Zaraid, are you with me? Here we are. This is AB 5 centimeter. I will put the segment and I will put my extremities AB 5 centimeter. Then they are asking to draw D, the perpendicular bisector of AB. What the meaning of perpendicular bisector?
A perpendicular bisector needs to be in the half.
In the midpoint. So I should search the midpoint of AB. What is the midpoint of AB? If it's 5, what is the half of 5?
2.5.
I will put it here. It's 2.5. Don't forget my coded information before starting. Like that. This way, it's equal to this way, 2.5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then what I will draw now? I will draw a perpendicular line. A perpendicular line at its midpoint, and it's called what? What do we call it?
Yes. Perpendicular bisector.
Okay, and its name is D. And I will put the symbol of perpendicular. Then they are asking, mark the point M on D. I can put M everywhere on D, but not on the middle. I cannot put it in the middle. So let's put M here. So now they are asking, prove that MA equal to MB. Can you prove it? What you can say? Yes. What we can say?
Every point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant. MA equal MB.
Every point we said. Very good. We start to say M belongs to D. Then every point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from both extremities to this segment. Very good. Every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from both extremities to this segment. Excellent. This is exercise 3. Let's move to exercise